some tools that scientists use to figure stuff out. One of them is we like to visualize stuff. And we visualize things in many different ways, and sometimes we'll act it out, like we did with you all, acting out the sound wave. Sometimes we need a tool to visualize it. So right now, this is something I want to explore. And you see that it's blowing your hair. And I want to figure out what is actually happening when the air comes out of this. Like, what shape is the air that's coming out of this? What do you think? It could be a ring. It could be a disc, right? A circle. Could be, what's a three-dimensional circle called? A sphere. Could be a sphere. What about if it were like a soup can? Cylinder, right? So it could be a cylinder. I don't know, and I can't see the air. But in science, often we come up with some way of being able to see something we can't see. Now, I've got a really big version of that same thing here. And can I get you to hold this for me? Just stand up right there. There you go. Okay. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you that it does the same thing. Right? But we still can't see what shape is coming out of here. Could be a cylinder, could be a sphere, could be a disc, could be a ring. So what I'm going to do is fill it up with some fog. And sometimes my fog machine has been kind of on the fritz here for a second. So let me. I've got a can of fog if I need some. If this thing doesn't start to do its thing in just a second here. And so I'm going to fill it up with some fog so we can see what the shape that comes out of here is. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do it with my other. I got to use some cleaner on this one. I'm going to do it with my other can of fog, which I have right here. Okay. So we'll fill it up, and then we're going to see what shape comes out of here because we'll be able to visualize it. Okay. So here we go. Okay, and what shape is it? It's a ring. That's what's been hitting you all the time. There's the air in a ring. Now let me just see if I can get this guy going. I might be able to get you a little more. There we go. Sometimes it's on like a pause. All right, here we go. So let's see. There we go. Now, I'm going to send one over here and I want you to try to catch it, okay? Oh, now notice that when you try to catch it, it disrupts it. Oh, let's see what we got. Nice. Okay, let's see. So this is what was happening in the first place. And when I went and I hit your hair, it was just like that.